One of the great secrets of the ages has by and large been lost under the weight of doctrinal confusion. It is found in Paul's letter to the Colossians, the first chapter, the 27th verse. He talks about the secret which has been hid from the ages, which is Christ in you, your hope of glory. This is a dynamic realization. Unfortunately, traditionalists have misapplied it because they've helped us to feel that the Christ in me is Jesus in me, or Jesus somehow is miraculously centered in me. But we're not talking about Jesus. The key to Jesus' power, his demonstration power, if you will, the power to work so-called miracles, if you will, was the Christ in him, his hope of glory, his own awareness of the divine pattern established within him. So the secret of demonstration, as far as you and I are concerned, is the Christ in us. And what this means is the whole oak tree is established in the acorn. And the secret of the growth process, the secret of the demonstration of this growth process, is the Christ in you, your hope of glory. The oak tree in you, your hope of demonstration of the full process, you see. So it says that the allness of the infinite mind is already enwrapped within you and always enwrapped within you. Thus the need is to unfold your good from within and not simply to add it on from without. So let's be very sure now when we talk about the secret of demonstration. We're not talking about adding something on. We're not talking about patching your body up with new outward physical techniques. We're not talking about adding on to your new ways of making money. We're talking about releasing your own innateness, which is the fulfilling of your own divine pattern, your own Christ in you, your hope of glory.